Hello everyone, myself Ami Mehta, and here we discuss decision making statements and in that particular if else if ladder. So actually where if else if ladder is used. So when multipath decisions are involved, we may use if else if ladder which takes the following general form. So when we want multi-part decisions, we use if else if ladder. Okay. So first of all, if its conditions and particular statement, then after else if, then condition number 2. Then after particular that statement, that again else if we required, and at the end last else statement. Okay, so these are the general form of if else if ladder. Now the conditions are evaluated from the top to downwards. As soon as a true condition is found, the statement associated with it is executed and the control is transferred to the statement X, and which is here actually. Okay, so here statement number X. So whenever actually one condition is true and it goes to that particular statement, and at the end it go to statement X, whether condition 1 is true, whether condition 2 is true, condition 3, or whichever, how many conditions are there as per that. Okay, it check one by one so that it executes top to downwards. Condition 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. If not single condition is true, that in go to else part. Okay, now when all the end conditions become false, then the final else containing the default statement will be executed. Now this is the actually flow chart of how actually if else if ladder is executed. So this is the entry point, this is condition 1. If it is true, it executes statement number 1. Okay, then after condition 2 is checked. If it is true, here actually statement number 2 is executed. Now if condition 1 is false, then and then it go to condition 2. If condition 2 is false, then and then it goes to condition 3. And if it is true, then it executes statement number 3. If condition 3 is false, it go to condition number 4, 5 up to whenever condition is stopped. Okay, and at the end, if all this condition 1, 2, then this 3, then 4 all condition are false, then it goes to default statement. Okay, and after that it goes to statement number X. Okay, so these are the how actually if else if ladder is executed. Now we see the programming part of that if else if ladder, that how actually it executed in C program. Okay.
Okay, now let us see the example of nested if else. So, this is also we took the example of find the maximum number from three numbers. So, you can easily compare the nested if else and the if else if ladder. Okay, so the first step is including header file, then including next one void main, which this function does not return any value, so we simply take the void main. Okay, so now we take three variables a, b and c. Okay, so just write printf enter value of a comma b comma c. Okay, now we store this value, so scanf 3 times percentage D, percentage E, percentage D. Okay, and then we store in respective variables that ampersand A, ampersand B, comma ampersand C. Now this is as if else if else. Okay, so we first compare if A is greater than B and means this both conditions should be true, then and then this whole condition will be true. If A greater than B and also A greater than C, then and then A is maximum. So we simply write here A is maximum. Okay, so now this both condition is true, then and then it will go to in if inner part, otherwise it's check for the another condition, which is in else if B greater than A and B greater than C. Okay, so now what we print F. So this both condition should be true to go into inner part of the else if statement, that if B greater than A as well as B greater than C, then B is maximum. Okay, and now the finally else part, that this both condition will false, then I directly go to in the else part and simply print that the C is maximum. Sorry, C is maximum. Okay, so this is simply we just took one if else if and then finally else. Okay, now we compile and then you can run from here or you can press Ctrl F9. So we first were enter 12, 78 and 5. So the answer is B is maximum. Okay. So this is a demonstration of how you can use nested if else. Thank you.